Billy, behave yourself. Billy, calm down. Billy, calm down, Billy. Baby, just please. Billy, calm down. Billy.
Oh man.
Who is it?
Hello, good night. Billy in here?
Who's that? He's over there playing games.
Oh, bro, what the fuck is that, bro? Come on, come play the game with me, bro. I don't feel like on the door now. I don't left them open, so I don't feel people come in. Hey guys, my friends here. We're about to split screen. Grab the controller, bro. Yo, dog. Run the game, dog. Run the game. I'm too loud in that people in house. Yo, you know so nice, see, dog? You ever lucky if you get linked with some good people? Yeah, bro, that's my cousin. We staying here over the weekend. You could come whenever you want. Mike, you can't let me stay with them too. You want to spend the night? Yeah, please. Hey, can you spend the night?
Alright, Billy, okay.
No, you know what? You could spend the night. Alright, thanks, yeah. There's someone who I'm a friend in my youth. Yo, nah, Billy.
Ah! You fucking retard! Ah! This princess! You see this princess? Ah! Why the TV don't you so loud?
What the fuck you want? I owe him. He's my cousin's boyfriend. He feels like he could talk to me any kind of way.
Listen, may I ask you if you turn down the TV for me? I be a game and gunshot me I hear from upstairs.
Shut up! Can't you see us playing the game?
When me say to you, when me come back from upstairs, me no want to see you here. And you're still there.
Hello sir, my name is Andrew.
Who this?
It's okay, bro. He's my friend and he's spending the night.
Okay, babe, hold on.
Go back upstairs. We don't want to hear you.
Undo come to put me out of my own house.
Me just come over here and play a game with Billy. Don't you see I got guests?
Guys, this is getting out of hand. You know what? I know who me to talk to, you know. Come and talk to me right here, babe. I need to say something to you.
Pussy. Man, you have to retain everywhere you go, you just take control, dog.
Hold on there. So like while when me talk to you, it just go through 1 year and come back through the next. I don't talk to you already. I told you he's only gonna be here for 2 days this weekend and we are getting paid for it. Well on there. Money? Of course the money just came in. The money is upstairs. We're getting $4,000 baby. $4,000, can you believe it? Just to babysit him. You know if you talk to people, you know. From Evelyn me come here, you should have started the conversation with that. And you make me talk to him so rough. So that's why I'm telling you, baby. It's only for the 2 days. You can buy back my bike. I am going to buy your bike. I'm definitely going to buy you a new bike. With all of this money, 2 days my day for right? Go and make up with Billy now. Get on his good side.
23 kills! Oh, airstrike!
Billy!
I'm going to win this game, bro. I got this, bro.
So, Billy, you're bad for the game. How much you kill there? You get no nuke?
Don't talk to me now, bro. You fake. Run me out, Billy. Fake, yes. He doesn't know nothing about this game, bro.
Babe, that's what you get.
You know what? I'm going upstairs. Yeah. Where's the room?
He upstairs. Just when you go up, make the right and you see your room. Just
okay. Let's go.
Enjoy yourself up there. Listen, you love money too much. I am going to wash my rice because I am very hungry. And don't come back to me with no money, Billy, come. The neighbor them next door call and them a complain say music way too loud.
I don't care about the neighbors. They say something, I could go over there and kill them. I'm playing with you.
What that in the
I brought my bong. You wanna try?
Billy, come on now, you have to do better, Billy.
You have any herbs?
What do you mean if me have herbs? Billy, you're not smoking at my house.
Oh man, I left mine at home.
Work with me now, come here, work with you, you know. You hungry by the way?
A little bit.